Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make paneer in 1 minute without boiling milk in Instant Pot. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and let's get started. I will be adding half a gallon of whole pasteurized milk into the Instant Pot. Keep in mind that I didn't yet turn on the Instant Pot. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of lime juice, or you can also use vinegar here. Now close the lid and set the valve to the sealing position. Now press the pressure cook button and set on more for 1 minute. I will also be giving all the instructions in the description box, so please check it out. And now let the Instant Pot do the job. Once the 1 minute is up, wait for more 5 minutes and then quick release. Now this is the point you have to be extra careful. Don't set the valve all the way to the vent position, as there are chances that the milk may spill out of the vent and we don't want that. So release the pressure with the help of a spoon slowly, like so. And wait till the Instant Pot depressurizes fully. This is the only thing you have to be careful while using this method. As you can see, the pin has dropped now. Now open the Instant Pot and you will see the milk has curdled. As soon as you open the Instant Pot, add about 2 to 3 cups of ice. This will help to bring down the temperature instantly and it will result in a soft paneer. Gently give it a stir and we will strain the mixture now. Place a strainer onto a big bowl and we will place one cheesecloth or any cotton cloth on it, and now strain the mixture. Wash the paneer with some cold water. Now squeeze out the extra water. To release the extra water out of the paneer, take one cotton cloth, place a plate on it, and now place the paneer. Now place another plate on it and put some heavy weight and leave it on a countertop for at least 1 hour. Now let's open our paneer. You can cut it in a desired shape, and as you can see, our paneer has turned nice, firm and soft. So this was the easiest method to make paneer in Instant Pot. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to hit like button to this video, and for such a healthy, quick and easy recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.